Indian male horse. Female horse. Indian farm horse. Leopard. Zebra. Arabian horse. Weekend horse. King Kong Jungle Lion. 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 Female lion. Cup. Hippopotamus. Monkey. Horse. Arabian horse. African male horse. African female horse. Fish. T-Rex. Actor. Dinosaurs.
Hey guys, welcome to my horse farm. You see, now he is very beautiful Indian horse and it's brown color. You see, it's very beautiful and I think he's a very fast runner. Go there, stand there. Very nice. He know his place. And you see, this pair is here. She's also very nice and beautiful. She's not that brown. She's, I think she's white or beige color. Settle down there. Yeah, they have a little baby. And he's like his father, brown. Settle down there. Oh, you see, this Arabian black horse. He's very strong and he's tall. And you know that? He runs very fast. He can stay in desert also because he is from Arab. You see, settle down there, bro. Hey, we have another pair from Arabian. She's also very beautiful and she's so dark. Let's see who's next. Oh my god, we have Britishers. We have two Britishers horses. One is a male, another one is female. It's a pair. Stay there, settle down there. See, they know their places. Let's see who's next. Can you guess who's the next one? Oh my god, she's so beautiful. She's from Africa. And you know that she's not from the city. She's from the jungle. And you know that that's why she likes to stay in the jungle. And she likes beautiful grasses. You see, let's count how many horses I have. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 horses we have. Let's have a race one day with them all. Thanks for watching my beautiful farm, guys. Oh my god, who is this? The hippopotamus in horse farm? What is he doing here? Bro, this is not your place. Oh, I think he's hungry. He like to eat watermelon or apple or banana. Don't worry, bro. I will bring fruits for you. You stay here. Don't be a naughty. Oh my god, we have a leopard here. Oh my god, he is very fast. And who's next in the farm? Oh, you see, these are the brothers. These are the king. He's the Lion King and his brother. I think it's Simba and Scar. What they are doing here? Are they having some kind of meeting here? Oh my god, you see? They have a family. It's a beautiful family. Baby lion and she lion and his father. See, it's a beautiful lion family. Oh, I think they are all hungry. We need to bring some food for them. I think they like to eat fish. Do you like fish, guys? Oh my god, he's the Lion King. I think he's giving guidelines to everyone. What to do, what not to do, what are the rules of the jungle. Oh, Hippo, you just think about food. You're hungry, I know that. See these Arabian black horses, and these are Britishers, and he's from Africa. Oh, hey, look who is here. It's a zebra. Oh my god, we have little dinosaurs. Hey dinosaurs, your time is finished. You're not in this universe anymore. What are you doing here? Oh, maybe you're just a visitor and you're so little. You used to be very big, these are very dangerous dinosaurs once upon a time. Oh, maybe they just come to join the party. And who is here? A monkey? Monkey, what is doing in the farm? Monkey, go there. There are no trees here. Go back around, play there, monkey. Ah, good idea. You go on the top of the house. Very good. Let's see what. Okay, guys, we need to give them something. Wow, it's the king's lunchtime, and his brother's family also. They will have a fish. Yummy. They will have a fish on a lunch, and what else they will have? Oh, his brother's tray is empty. Ah, he's getting piranha fish. Lovely, yummy fish. His baby is cute little baby, also like the fish. Oh, the Lion King is having his lunch. You see, the lion liked the fish, and he gave to his brother also. They are also having a fish lunch today.
Bye. T.